Direct object pronouns replace the noun that receives the action lo, la, los, and las agree in gender and number with the noun they replace. Lo replaces any masculine singular noun.
Lo tengo.
I have it. La replaces any feminine singular noun.
Ella la bebe.
She drinks it. Me is the first person direct object pronoun. Use it when you are acted upon.
¿Me llamas mañana?
Will you call me tomorrow? Te is the second person direct object pronoun. Use it for the person you're speaking to.
Te llamo ahora.
I'll call you now. With negation, the pronoun stays between no and the verb.
No lo entiendo.
I don't understand it. Los replaces any masculine plural noun.
Los veo todos los días.
I see them every day. Las replaces any feminine plural noun.
¿Las tienes?
Do you have them? Nos is the first person plural direct object pronoun.
El profe nos escucha.
The teacher listens to us. With two verbs, attach the pronoun to the infinitive.
Quiero comprarlo.
I want to buy it. With a positive command, attach the pronoun to the end.
Cómpralo.
Buy it. Direct object pronouns go before the conjugated verb and agree with the noun they replace. Lo and la for singular, los and las for plural. Use lo for masculine, la for feminine.
Lo tengo, ella la bebe. ¿Me llamas? No lo entiendo. Los veo, las tienes, nos escucha, cómpralo.
Practice free at pinglingo.com. Hasta la próxima.